So friends, we have completed 2 out of 4 join types. First one, inner join, we covered this one. Next video was for left join, also known as left outer join, already covered in my previous videos. Those who missed my left join, inner join videos can follow the link provided below. Today we will see right join, also known as right outer join. As the name suggests, right means it deals with the content, something with the content in table 2 or right hand side table. Data we have with us is of club scenario, which has members and the events organized for those members. Members table will have member ID, member name, member age. Event has event ID, event name and member ID. It is clearly visible that we have related columns here. Column name is member ID in both the tables. For right join, let's see pictorially. We have one table represented by the circle. Let us say this table is members table. Now second circle represents the another table, right hand side table. This table is event table. Now right join or right outer join, what it will do, it will select all the rows from event table along with those which are common, and the null will come if there is no record correspondingly present in the members table. It means in the select result we will get not only this intersection common data but also all the data satisfying the query from right hand side table, that is event in our case. Even if no record is matching with the left hand side table, that is members here, the records where no column value in members is present against event value or event data, their null will be returned. In short, we can say right join helps us to get all the records from right table even if there is no matching data found in the left table. Right join displays null under the columns from left table if the matching data is not present there. Let's see in our homework sheet. Again we want to have the result as member names and event they are playing. In right join we want these two columns in the output, member name and their event names. As this is right join, so we will get all the records from right table, that is event table. Now the relational column, relation here is defined by using member ID column, is checked and corresponding values of member name will be displayed against each event. If no data in members table is present, then the null will be returned. Let us proceed how this will take place. It will search for member ID 1 in the members table. This member ID 1 is present in members table. It will pick the member name from here and put it against this chess. Next it will search, it will map the member ID 3 with the member ID 3 in the members table. Yes, we do have there. We will pick the name fella and we are preparing a result set like this. Next is 5. Let's see, 5 is here. Name will be picked and kept here. 6 is present. 6 is Harry. Harry is picked, kept here. Then is 2. Yes, 2 is also mapping is present. Trim. Next 1, check up again. We'll put this name here. Next one is 8. Name Apple. Apple will come. Next is no value in member ID in the event, means we don't have data here, so corresponding member ID is not present in the members. Here it will give us null. 7. Is Patrick, will be displayed in the output. Again, no value in member ID of the event table means no mapping can be done with the members table. It is again turning null. Here you can see right join, what it will do, it will pick all the selected columns or rows from the right side table, and the matching columns from the left hand side table are picked, and those who are left means those who are not present in the left hand side table, that data will be displayed as null in the result set. Hope it is clear. Let's go to the database and see the syntax. Syntax is like this: select table 1, list of columns, table 2, list of columns, from table 1. This time we want to go for right join table 2, means table 2 will have all the records satisfying the provided condition in the select statement, and the corresponding values from table 1 are picked. If not present, null will be displayed. This is the concept. On, we need the columns which establish a relationship between both the tables. Table 1 column is similar or have relation with the table 2 column. Can provide where conditions, optional. If where is present, group by will come after where. If both of the above, where and group by are present, order by will come at the end. Otherwise, directly after the from. This is the syntax. Let's see what do we have in the tables. We have these 10 records with us in members table. And this event table will have this data in it. It is perform right join following the syntax. Select table 1 is members. I want member name, comma, event. I want event name from this table. From first table is members, left hand side table. I want to make right join this time with event table. On, members member id equals to event tables member id column. This is the column which has relationship with both the tables. I'll order this result by members dot member name column to make it easy to understand. Run it. This is the result. We don't have values in the left hand side table for exclamation and fancy dress. Values of event means right hand side table, so null is displayed in the output. Let us see, do we have the same result in this worksheet? Arrange it with yes, you can see we have the same result here. Exclamation and fancy dress, none. This is how we get the output in the right outer join. This is all for the right join. Do subscribe my channel for more videos.